This is what my new satellite array is doing. It's creating a right spin, high pressure, anti-hurricane. So no storms can form right in the middle of Texas. You can see it, and it goes all the way down into the Gulf of Mexico, and it's actually bouncing off of Yucatan. If you look at the bottom, it's making it bounce, and it's been doing this for 2 days. It's because of my satellites. I have one pointed northeast, northwest, and one pointed southeast, and so it's making a vortex. And I have one of my bubbles is right in the middle, so I have 3 of them, 2 on satellites and one in the one going straight up. And you can see the effect it's having. This is amazing. With 2 or 3 of these systems across the United States, the whole United States would be cleared of any man-made storms. That's my rear gunner, pointed northwest. See those copper pipes and one aluminum pipe. My heat lamp. This is Gilgamesh going straight up. He's on a satellite dish too, see? He's on a big satellite dish. And I have Theo and all my little pieces, my selenite pieces, and these were gifted to me. And I have all my little ones bubbling right now. They're being energized. They have to be energized for at least 9 days. Can't really see that, but that's 2 transformers. 10,000 volts each for neon lights. And an inverter. Another heat lamp. And I need another heat lamp for this satellite dish up here too. Here's some art. My ex did this. She's blowing her head off. If you notice, she's got a gun in her mouth. Yeah, I think she was a little. She had issues. Let's just say that. And this one. That guy's pretty cool. I think I met him in jail one time. They called him Joker. This thing right here is powerful. Here's my plants. These are fruit trees. This was one little bud growing. You see that? Adventures of Hurricane Joe on the Quiet Storm. Coming at you on a Thursday, July the 1st, 2021. So you can see the vortex that I'm making, the jet stream, whatever you want to call it. It's like a negative hurricane, and it's spinning to the right. All hurricanes spin to the left, which is louche. It's demonic. So mine's spinning to the right, which is orgone energy, which is life-producing, ki, prana, whatever you want to call it. It's life energy, life-giving energy. It doesn't kill, it creates life. You can clearly see it's been spinning like this to the right for 2 full days now, keeping the rain away from me. I'm in Houston. I'm right directly in the middle. I have one pointed this way, exactly, and one pointed this way, exactly. I'm hitting the HARP stations. There's one HARP in Puerto Rico, and there's one HARP in Alaska, up here. So I have two of them in different directions on satellite. And it's creating a vortex. It's creating a high pressure hurricane, kind of an anti-hurricane, whatever you want to call it. It's high pressure. No storms can form here. And you can see they're keeping away pretty good area, like all of Texas, all of Louisiana, all of Alabama. Pretty much the whole Bible Belt, the whole South. Yeah. Bible Belt. All my Orgone has holy water in it and anti-witch oils, by the way. So go figure. Let me take your blues away. No more Katrinas. Because I was created by them. If you notice up here, they're seeding it right now. They're trying to flood the United States with airplanes. They're probably seeding it with aluminum, whatever they use, aluminum something. And you can see it right here. It's been doing it all 2 days straight, all through Mexico, all through up here because it can't get close to me, and all the way over here in Florida. And down here it's spinning too. You see that? One of my satellite dishes is bouncing off the Yucatan and making it bounce up over here. You see that? This is not coincidental. I've been filming this kind of stuff for 2 years. And my stuff is getting more and more potent, more refined, and more powerful. It doesn't cost much. I mean, a lot of time and research, but if you look at the basics of it, what Orgone does to just regular water in the freezer, it makes a vortex, it makes a hurricane going to the right. And what that does is it structures, it cleans the air, it structures every molecule in your body because you're made out of water. It structures water. And Orgone also cures cancer. That's why Dr. Wilhelm Reich was oppressed. He was put in jail and he was murdered because of his finding Orgone. But the stuff that I have now is way more potent than what he had, because I have a Tesla coil connected to it at all times and a heat lamp. And according to all the physicists that know, that's how you do it. And it's doing something, as you can see. This is not coincidental, folks. Now, all the other stuff like satellite dishes and all that, I came up with all that. But the basic technique and the premise, you can look up all the facts. Tesla, same thing. So, don't know. I'll keep you posted. We're just now entering a hurricane season, so I'm on duty now. Reporting live from the 30th parallel in Houston, Texas, baby. Coming at you loud with a quiet storm. So stay tuned and let's see how we blow this joint and kill some storms tonight.